Welcome to Consumer Flix, your trusted source for the latest drone reviews, comparisons, and leaks. Helicopter. In today's video, we're diving into a head-to-head showdown, DJI Air 4 vs DJI Dock 3, two of DJI's most talked-about releases in 2025. From smart automation to powerful flight capabilities, both offer unique advantages. But which one truly dominates in performance and value? Stick around as we break it all down. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more drone content from Consumer Flix. Design and deployment approach. DJI Air 4. The DJI Air 4 is a compact, foldable consumer drone designed for on-the-go aerial photography and videography. It's made for individual users, offering ease of transport, quick deployment, and advanced imaging in a small form factor. Its sleek and lightweight build is ideal for creators, travelers, and prosumers who want high-end performance in a portable drone. DJI Dock 3. The DJI Dock 3, on the other hand, is not a drone itself, but a fully automated drone station designed to house, recharge, and deploy compatible enterprise drones, likely the DJI Matrice 3D/3TD or other industrial models. It is built for autonomous operations in industrial environments like surveillance, mapping, and inspections, and is intended to remain stationed permanently for round-the-clock drone tasking. Functionality and purpose. DJI Air 4. The Air 4 focuses on aerial content creation, boasting a high-end camera system, intelligent flight modes like active track and master shots, and impressive obstacle avoidance. It's made for manual piloting, though it offers smart automation to simplify flight and photography. DJI Dock 3. The Dock 3 is all about autonomous enterprise missions. It serves as a remote command center, enabling scheduled and AI-powered drone flights without a human pilot on site. It's perfect for industrial operations, including construction monitoring, power line inspections, and site security, offering drones-as-a-service capabilities through full autonomy. Camera and payload capabilities. DJI Air 4. The DJI Air 4 is expected to feature a dual camera system with a 1/1.3-inch sensor and telephoto lens, capable of shooting 4K per 60 frames per second or higher, delivering crisp visuals and rich colors ideal for content creation. It's tailored for cinematic video, photography, and social media use, not for specialized data capture. DJI Dock 3. The DJI Dock 3, depending on the drone it houses, like the Matrice 3D series, supports modular payloads such as zoom cameras, thermal sensors, and multispectral cameras. This allows it to be highly adaptable to professional, mission-specific imaging needs, far beyond the creative scope of the Air 4. Flight autonomy and control. DJI Air 4. The DJI Air 4 offers a range of automated flight features, such as focus track, waypoints, and obstacle sensing, designed to enhance the manual piloting experience and allow creative shots. However, it still requires a pilot on location for launch, monitoring, and recovery. DJI Dock 3. The DJI Dock 3 enables true autonomous operations, including automated takeoff, precision landing, battery charging, and mission scheduling. Controlled via DJI Flight Hub 2, it allows operators to manage flights remotely across vast distances, making it ideal for enterprise-scale drone deployment with minimal human intervention. Ideal use cases. DJI Air 4. The DJI Air 4 is perfect for travelers, content creators, and hobbyist pilots who want to capture stunning aerial footage with minimal setup and advanced camera tools. It excels in photography, cinematic videography, and recreational use in diverse environments. DJI Dock 3. The DJI Dock 3 is built for enterprises needing 24/7 aerial monitoring and data collection, including infrastructure inspections, industrial surveillance, and agriculture. It suits large-scale operations and automated workflows, not manual photography. Battery life and charging efficiency. DJI Air 4. The DJI Air 4 is expected to feature an improved battery system, likely offering 40 to 45 minutes of flight time, making it one of the longest-lasting drones in the consumer lineup. It will support fast charging, but users will still need to manually swap batteries for extended flights. DJI Dock 3. The DJI Dock 3, designed for autonomous drone operations, features a built-in recharging system that allows the docked drone to land, charge, and redeploy without human intervention. This ensures continuous operations with minimal downtime, making it ideal for long-term monitoring and surveillance missions. Connectivity and remote operations. DJI Air 4. The DJI Air 4 will rely on OcuSync or DJI's latest transmission system, ensuring strong connectivity up to 15 kilometers, 9.3 miles, with a compatible remote controller. While it may offer some remote flight capabilities via DJI Fly, it is still primarily designed for local manual operation. DJI Dock 3. The DJI Dock 3 enables true remote operations, integrating with DJI Flight Hub 2 for long-distance fleet management, mission scheduling, and cloud-based control. It supports 5G and private network connectivity, allowing businesses to monitor and control drones from anywhere in the world without needing an on-site operator. Setup and maintenance requirements. DJI Air 4. The DJI Air 4 is designed with plug-and-play simplicity, requiring minimal setup. Users can unfold the drone, connect via the DJI Fly app, and begin flying within minutes. Maintenance is limited to occasional firmware updates, battery care, and propeller replacements, making it ideal for casual or professional users who want low overhead. DJI Dock 3. In contrast, the DJI Dock 3 demands a professional installation process, including stable mounting, power supply setup, network configuration, and environmental calibration. Its maintenance includes system diagnostics, environmental cleaning, and firmware updates across both the dock and drone, reflecting its industrial-grade complexity and operational depth. Software ecosystem and integration. DJI Air 4. The DJI Air 4 works seamlessly with the DJI Fly app, offering creative tools, editing functions, and integration with social platforms. While it offers basic waypoint features and intelligent shooting modes, it is focused on individual creativity and convenience, with limited support for third-party data workflows. DJI Dock 3. The DJI Dock 3 integrates with DJI Flight Hub 2, DJI Terra, and enterprise-level platforms, offering deep mission planning, real-time monitoring, cloud-based storage, and API support. It enables custom enterprise integration, making it suitable for data analytics, fleet coordination, and smart city infrastructure. Conclusion. The DJI Air 4 is a portable, user-friendly powerhouse for content creators, delivering strong camera capabilities and smart flight features for personal use. The DJI Dock 3, by contrast, is a strategic investment for enterprises, enabling fully autonomous drone operations with industrial precision and efficiency. If you're an individual looking for high-end aerial imagery, go with the Air 4. If you're managing an enterprise and need unmanned, around-the-clock aerial automation, the Dock 3 is your go-to infrastructure. Thanks for watching Consumer Flix. Helicopter, which one impressed you more, the DJI Air 4 or the DJI Dock 3? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more drone battles, reviews, and leaks. See you in the next video.